Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is April, and while you're here, please feel free to subscribe down below. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the May Ivy box. Now, usually before I record the videos for my Ivy boxes, I usually open it on camera, but for some reason there was some issues going on with the May boxes, so they sent out this mass email telling people to check their boxes because some items may be missing or damaged. So I had to open up my box prior to this just to check and make sure that everything was in good condition. But now I'm here to share it with you all. And before we get started, for those of you who would be interested in subscribing, I'm going to place my link down below. So if you tap on the link, it'll take you directly to the Ivy Storehouse website where you can go and subscribe. So this is how the May box came. It was in a smaller box, and usually when we get these boxes, it's in a bigger USPS box. But this time, this actually came in a plastic bag. So when I first received the box, I was like, why is the box so small? I was concerned, but I got home, and at first, the first few days, I was like, I'll just wait and open it when I record. But then I was like, Dad, they did send out that email, so let me go ahead and check and make sure. But when I first got it, I was just like, why is it so small and why is it in this plastic bag? Because I was so used to getting it in the big boxes. But this is how it came. I'm sorry for the glare. This is how it came in this small box, and again, it was in a plastic bag. I opened the box, and on the inside, it has our May theme card, and the May theme is I'll just say yes. So the May theme, I'll just say yes, and then it tells you what's in the box: a gorgeous green 20 pearls blouse, pretty pink lace tie socks, and an AKA pearl necklace. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what it is, and then we'll discuss later. So the first thing that's up, let's go with this blouse. So it's a green blouse. I have not taken it out the bag yet, so let me open it and see. I've been looking at the pictures on the website, but to me it looks like it may fit a little bit loose. I'm gonna go try it on, and then I'll be back, okay? I'll be right back. Hey y'all, hey, I'm back. So now I'm wearing the blouse, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't fit as loose as I expected it to fit, but it's pretty good. It's manageable. It is pretty sheer, so you do want to make sure that you wear something dark underneath. But overall, I believe it's a cute blouse. I can nicely wear this to a chapter meeting with the blazer over it, tuck it in, and you can hide the fact that I have this room here. No one will ever know. So I can work with the blouse. I have to work on this bow tie here. But other than that, it's cute. Fits pretty good, I think. It has button closures at the wrist, and it has the patch of the ivy leaf here. So that's cute. The next thing I'm going to get to is the necklace. Came like this, wrapped in plastic. I took it out already. But the necklace is silver, as you can see. It has a pearl here. It has AKA here on the side and a rose on the side. And I'm a gold girl. I love me some gold. I never wear silver. Like, I'm always in gold. So I was kind of sad about this because it's like I may not get much wear out of it. But it's a cute necklace. Again, I probably won't wear it much. I could wear it, again, to a chapter meeting and just wear it with my pearls. But again, I'm not a silver girl. I'll do pearls, just solid pearls, but I never wear silver. But since I have it, I want to get my money's worth, so I'm going to wear it. So I'll probably wear it with just something simple and plain, maybe black, then have silver accessories. So yeah, I really was not that fascinated with the necklace, but it's decent. I can wear it. Like I said, I can find somewhere to wear it to. Now, last but not least, I'm pulling up my blouse. Yeah. Last but not least, these AKA socks. Okay. When I saw these socks posted online, I was like, okay, I might can work with that. But I was looking at the socks, the picture with the green heels on. I was looking like, okay, I might can work with that. Okay. So I get the socks and they can't, like, they look like this. So I'm looking like, wait a minute. On the picture, it looked like they fit snug. So I was really, in my mind, I had an outfit planned and everything, how I was going to wear these socks. But when I tried these socks on, I was like, oh, let me show you. So my foot is small. I wear a size 6. But yeah, let's just see how this works. So I put this sock on and it fits just like this. And this is over the pants. I have so much room here that I can wear it over my pants. But do I want to do that? No. But look at this. I did not like these at all. I was highly dissatisfied about these socks because I really don't feel like I can get any wear out of these. It was so loose. It's loose and baggy here and here. It does not form to your foot at all. It does not. So I'm like, how can you wear these? And I want to know how that picture, how the soror in the picture got hers. Like, did she roll them down until they couldn't move anymore? Oh, and I forgot this. This is the ribbon that you're supposed to tie over them. So let's try this again with the ribbon. So I put the sock on. It's irregular. It fits very irregular. Okay, so I put the sock on and I'm supposed to tie this ribbon around it. That is a hot mess. I'm sorry. That's a hot mess. I'm not feeling it. So I know I'm not going to get anywhere out of these socks. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make these my Christmas stockings. Like, these are my new Christmas stockings. Because to me, that's what it looks like. It reminds me of a stocking. So I'll hang these up somewhere around Christmas time. And maybe I can get some pearls as a gift and put them in here. But other than that, I really, honestly, I do not, I was not feeling this. I was not feeling these socks at all. I was disappointed, honestly. I was disappointed. And I like the fact that they tried something different this time. Like, oh, we got socks and we got a necklace. But it's like, I feel like the Boulé box took away from the monthly box. And I feel like that shouldn't have happened. It should still be consistent regardless if you have another box out at the same time. It should still be consistent because we're paying money, you know, and we want nice paraphernalia. So yeah, I really wasn't excited about this box. All the boxes prior to this, I was hyped, but now it's just like, oh. I really hope Ivy Storehouse makes up for it. Ivy Storehouse, can we please get some pajamas? Can we get a blanket? Can we get a lunchbox? Can we get a mini umbrella? Like, I love the fact that you tried something new with this box. So can we continue getting different ideas for the boxes, but make sure that they fit, or make sure that it's something that we can really use? I just feel like we should start to get stuff now that's appropriate for the season also, because we continue to get these long sleeve blouses and long sleeve shirts, but now it's 90 degrees outside. So it's kind of like we really can't get much wear out of it now because it's hot outside. So yeah, those are just my suggestions. For those of you who are watching this video, and if you did like this box, then great. If you would like to subscribe, don't forget my information to subscribe will be linked down below. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all did like your Ivy box, let me know. If you did not like your Ivy box, please let me know. Tell me your suggestions also down below. And do you agree with me? Do you want to see more things that we can use, like appropriate for the season, or the other things like umbrellas and lunch boxes? Would you like to see that too? Like, tell me what you would like to see in the next Ivy box. I would love to hear from you. But until next time, stay pretty. Bye.